Alright. 8. Classify each representation as proportional or non-proportional. So, k equals y divided by x means it's proportional. These are both proportional relationships. And you can also get y equals kx. If it follows these forms, it's proportional. A follows the y equals some number k times x. Therefore, A is proportional. B says after a 50-cent per hour raise, Xana now earns $11.75 per hour. Well, yeah, she gets a raise, but that raise is added to what she initially had. So this would be similar to y equals $11.25 plus 50 cents. That still refers to the per hour, which is still some value k times x equals y, and is therefore proportional. Proportional also means it goes to 0, 0, just as a reminder. C, whenever you're doing it from a table, proportional means that y divided by x for every single one of these will be the same. If we try this and we do negative 7 divided by 3, 3 will go into 7 2 times, and then you're left with 1/3. Okay? Then 4 will go into negative 9. We're doing the next set of numbers, and that is negative 2, because 4 will go into 9 2 times, and then 1/4 is left. If these are not equal, it's not proportional. Therefore, C is non-proportional. Right? D, it still follows the format of y equals some number k times x. And I rewrote it right here for you to see it. 12 plus 1 and 25/100 is 13 and 25/100 x. Therefore, it's proportional. E, it says the height of a shrub when it is first planted is 1 foot, and it grows at a rate of 2 inches per year. The shrub is y inches tall after x years. Well, if it starts at 1 foot and then it grows 2 inches each year, it has a starting point. It's not 0, 0, and it doesn't follow y equals kx. Therefore, it is non-proportional. Alright, and then F says Aaliyah rented a cabin for $45 per day plus a non-refundable deposit of $15. So, that $15 is added on to it, and then it's $45 times X, the number of days. That makes it non-proportional because it doesn't follow y equals kx.